Alright, in this video I'm just going to go over what I think is going to happen with SPY next week. Just a quick update video. So this week, actually since March 29th, we've had the downtrend. It looks like we are, if I zoom out here I can show you the whole chart. This is what it looks like to me. A, B, C, W, X, and we're currently on this Y right here, or this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, it's A. I'm sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A. Currently, right now, though, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the 1 hour, it looks kind of like jumbled up. 4 hours might be easier to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, in my opinion, right now. And then on Thursday, we had A. We went all the way from 436 all the way up to about 444. Before that happened, I was looking at this. What would be a good pullback for a second wave after we had already started on the end of this first wave? And it looks like it's around 449, 450. So we got this A wave right here, and then we started the B wave on Friday. If you look at the 1.61 fib of this A wave, either here or here, we'll do it from there. It pretty much comes in line with the 50% retracement of this. So that's why my target is 449 right here. And then we had A, B, and then C should be up here, in my opinion. So that's what I'm looking for right here. I traded a little bit of SPY since the regular individual stocks have been pretty bad lately. Nothing's really moving. I traded SPY, and I have a few contracts long for next week. I made a little bit of money on puts and calls, just intraday scalps. But I think we see this pop right here, A, B, C, zigzag to the second wave, and then we can start, after that, we can start our move down here to the third wave, which is, my target is 421, and then 427, and then ultimately down here to 406 and 402, and I have that happening pretty much right after Powell is going to raise rates. So maybe we get a bounce into Powell or bounce right after, and then we fall down to 406. And then after that, we would bounce a little bit. I haven't done the calculations of that. Bounce a little bit, and then actually one more wave down lower. So we'll see what happens, but that's kind of my thoughts for next week. I'm looking for 449 all the way up to possibly, here, let's see, 449 all the way to maybe like 452. So I think it's going to be a really green week next week, and I'm willing to put it out there and put my technical analysis on the line. Hopefully I'm not dead wrong, but it happens sometimes. And if I was wrong, just to let you guys know, since this is a second wave, it can go past the start of this first wave and still be valid. I would probably stop out if it went like over like 1.23 of this wave. I'd pretty much take that as confirmation that I'm wrong. But they like to throw a little, twists and curves into this where they'll go past here. And they do that all the time too, just to throw it off. It's pretty hard to trade SPY if you don't know what you're doing. So if they go by this, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 435 just at the start of the day if they wanted to do that. But if you do go down to the 5-minute, you will see though that we do have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also something to think about too is this third wave Doesn't even look like a third wave, really. It's actually about the same length as the fifth wave. Third wave can never be smaller than the fifth wave. So I think that we're pretty much bottomed right here. That's just I'm pretty confident in saying that. And I think that we're going to move up higher next week. So putting my technical analysis on the line, we'll see what happens. But that's what I'm thinking. And I'm looking for 449 all the way to 452.